Find or read reviews that people are talking about KMFurnila Mini Fridge with freezer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Space-saving compact design. Perfect for any tight spot, KMFurnila Mini Fridge measures only 17.7 inch, depth, 17.5 inch, width, 31.5 inch, height. Its smart layout offers plenty of storage, making it an ideal fit for your bedroom, dorm, office, or any small space. Dual-zone fridge and freezer. Keep everything organized with separate cooling zones. Features a 0.3 cubic feet freezer, 23 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, for frozen goods, and a 2.9 cubic feet fridge, 33.8 to 44 degrees Fahrenheit, for drinks, snacks, and leftovers, all in one compact unit. Ultra-quiet 38 decibels operation. Runs quieter than a library whisper at just 38 decibels. Perfect for your bedroom, office, or study area. No annoying hum or buzz to disturb your sleep or focus. 5 adjustable temperature settings. Customize your cooling with 5 precise temp settings. Perfectly preserve everything from beverages and groceries to seafood and meats, keeping all your favorites fresh and ready. ATM-Verified quality and safety. This mini fridge carries the official authorization to mark, your independent guarantee of reliable performance, certified safety, and trusted compliance with rigorous standards. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.